Welcome to the third episode of my earthquake cake series. This peanut butter earthquake cake is made from scratch, and it is so moist because of brown sugar and oil. There's plenty of peanut butter in the batter, and peanut butter chips dot the cake. My favorite part, of course, is the tangy cream cheese frosting that bakes with the cake and makes it even more moist. Feel free to add chopped peanuts or cookies to the bottom of the pan before adding batter. First, mix your dry ingredients: 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a heaping half teaspoon salt. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add a half cup of creamy peanut butter and a 1/3 cup of a neutral oil. Mix till well combined. Then add 1 cup of white sugar and a half cup of dark brown sugar and mix till fluffy. Then add 3 eggs, one at a time, just until yolk is no longer visible. Periodically scrape the sides of the bowl. Mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now sift in 1/3 of the dry ingredients. And with a wire whisk, mix gently. Now mix in a half cup of buttermilk. Now sift in another 1/3 of the dry ingredients and mix as before. Now mix in another half cup of buttermilk. Finally, mix in the last 1/3 of the dry ingredients. Mix until the batter is smooth, and then pour the batter into a greased 13 by 9-inch pan and set aside. Now, to a large bowl, sift in 3 cups of powdered sugar. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Mix till smooth. Drop spoonfuls of the cream cheese mixture over the batter. With a knife, gently swirl in the cream cheese frosting. Top with peanut butter chips. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes or until center is just slightly jiggly. Cool for an hour, then slice and serve. Enjoy.